Hi, I'm Richard from Allen Heath, USA. We're here at AES 2018, and we're taking a look at the SQ7 mixer from Allen Heath. So this is the largest in the SQ series. We have the SQ5, 6, and 7. They're all 48-channel mixers at 96K. The SQ7 is the largest. This one is a 32 fader variant with 32 mic preamps on the back. SQ6 would have 24, and the SQ5 would have 16 and 16. So depending on the size that you need and how many faders you need, how many local preamps you need, SQ can kind of fit into many different situations. It's also a great recording mixer. You have the option of recording 16 channels of multitrack directly to USB. Using the USB port on the back, you can go straight to a computer for 32 channels at 96K, or using the Dante, Waves, or S-Link cards, you can expand digitally using Cat5. So you can run Waves plugins, you can do Dante recording or interface with other Dante devices, or you can connect to other Allen Heath gear using the S-Link protocol. You can also expand with stage boxes. For example, our DX or the Q AB168, AR2412, and AR84. So there's a lot of flexibility with SQ, a lot of expandability, and it interfaces very well with other Allen Heath gear. So it's a great expansion to your system, and it's a great way to kind of improve an existing situation that you might want to upgrade from. So this is the Allen Heath SQ7, now available at TecNec.